Starting over is one of the most terrifying things you can ever do in your life. To start over means you have nothing to fall back on. No safety net. Today I want to talk about starting over, reinventing yourself, changing careers, moving to a new place, getting a divorce, having a midlife crisis, whatever you want to call it. If you've ever thought, I wish I could just hit replay, do my life over again, this episode is for you. It means that you're giving up the familiar for the unknown, walking away from what you know into darkness, uncertainty, ambiguity, not knowing what lies ahead. And yet, sometimes it's the best thing you can ever do for yourself. She had a really successful career in journalism. She worked at Vogue for years. Thanks to technology and the internet and globalization, the playing field is more level than it's ever been before. If you can dream it, you can do it. She took her fear and she turned it into fuel. Took that desire and that longing and that yearning to do something else with her life and channeled it into the courage to make a change. We tell ourselves stories about why we can't do something. So surround yourself with people who will encourage you, inspire you, support you, ask for help. She had the support of her friends and family. Reach out to others. Connect with people who believe in you, because the time is now. Vera Wang didn't do it alone. You are as young as your mind allows you to be. They gave her advice. They helped her make connections. Can't do it alone, so build your team. Connect with people. Find your tribe. Vera Wang didn't start her company the next day. She waited a couple years. And when you do, you'll be unstoppable. Build your village. You need help. You need encouragement. So if you want to start over, if you want to reinvent yourself, if you want to turn your life around, if you want to create a life you're proud of, then I challenge you to do it today. You can reinvent yourself at any time. All you have to do is be willing. I challenge you to do it now. The time is always now, and you'll never regret it. They lent her money. She didn't know where her first customer was going to come from. This is a podcast that helps you think better so you can feel better and do better. And if you want to do better in your relationships, then you love this video right here where I talk about 6 ways to improve your relationships in 60 seconds. She went after it. She took action. And eventually her company took off. It'll give you clarity. Just do it. Just start. You need people on your side cheering you on. Stop telling yourself these stories. Let go of the past. Step into the fear. Read a book. Talk to one person. Set a small goal and then do it. I'm too old. I have responsibilities. I don't know enough people. I'm not smart enough. She researched the market. She developed a plan. She took small steps. Reach out to people. Fear of failure. Fear of the unknown. Fear of letting go of the past. I didn't know how to fix a leaky pipe. I didn't know how to balance my checkbook. Take classes, read books, watch YouTube videos, talk to people in your community. You won't regret it. You might feel like you're too old or too young or too broke or too stupid. It'll give you momentum. But the truth is, you're perfect just the way you are. You're exactly where you need to be right now because you're alive, because you're breathing, because you're listening to this podcast, because you're taking action, because you're willing to do whatever it takes to create a life you're proud of. You can start over at any age. Be willing to embrace the fear. Be willing to learn a new skill. Be willing to reach out for help, and be willing to take action. She saved up money. At first, her company was just her and 2 assistants. This is a podcast that helps you think better so you can feel better and do better. They worked out of her apartment. She didn't wait around to find out. And that's what you need to do. Start small. Take a class. Because once you get started, once you take that first step, everything else will fall into place. The energy of taking action will propel you forward. It'll give you confidence. We are terrified to take a risk because we don't want to fail. We don't want to put ourselves out there. We don't want to expose ourselves to possible embarrassment, rejection, disappointment. Take action. Do something today. Your age doesn't define your potential. Don't wait until tomorrow. Don't procrastinate. Don't delay. Do it today. So we stay in the same job, in the same relationship, in the same city, doing the same thing, even though it's killing us inside, because we're too afraid to start over. We convince ourselves that this is as good as it gets, that this is all we deserve, that this is all we're gonna get. Stop it. As the Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu once said, watch your habits. They become your character. Watch your character. It becomes your destiny. What do you want your destiny to be? I don't have enough money. The second step to starting over is learning a new skill, acquiring a new competence, gaining expertise, getting knowledge. This is going to help you feel empowered, capable, strong. The great thing is that you don't need to be 20 years old to learn something new. In fact, I would argue that it's better to learn later in life because you have the perspective to really appreciate what it is you're relearning. You're more disciplined and mature and committed. Finally, you're less naive. There's a story about an elderly Chinese man who was practicing Tai Chi in the park. A young guy walked by, saw him and laughed and said, "What are you doing? Get out of here, Grandpa. You look ridiculous." The old man stopped and looked at him and said, "You know, son, when I was your age, I couldn't even tie my shoes. I didn't know how to cook. I didn't know how to take care of myself. And now that I'm old, I have to spend hours every day trying to learn these basic skills. So instead of laughing at me, go out and learn something now, so that when you're old, you won't regret it. Be proactive. Go out and learn a skill that will help you achieve your goals." There's so much free information out there. All you have to do is go out and get it. The truth is, you're only limited by the stories you tell yourself. To walk away from the familiar and go after a dream. She got married, she had kids, and then she started her own business when she was 40 years old. And now her company does over $1 billion a year. When asked about how she managed to find success so late in life, she said, "It's never too late." People often say, "Oh, I'd like to do that," or "I'd like to be that when I grow up." By the time they're 40, they've never done anything about it because they're scared. But there's no right age. You have to do what you have to do when you get the courage to do it. You'll know when it's right. Hi, I'm the host. And today we're going to talk about a concept that I like to think about a lot, which is the art of starting over. Now, the other day I was watching an interview with Vera Wang. Vera Wang is an American fashion designer. Vera Wang knew when it was right. We all have dreams that we let slip through our fingers, opportunities that we let pass us by because we were too afraid to take a risk. If there's any point in history where you should realize this, that you're the only one limiting yourself, it's now. So today I want to share with you 4 steps to start over, to reinvent yourself, to turn your life around, to rewrite your story. No one. Embrace the fear. The first step to starting over is to acknowledge that you're afraid and to lean into that fear. No. 2. Learn a new skill. No. 3. Build a support network. Now, starting over is hard, and it's harder still if you're doing it alone. And number 4, take action. When you're starting over, when you're reinventing yourself, when you're turning your life around, you might feel like it's too late. Your age doesn't define your dreams. Thank you for listening. I'm the host.